Ever wondered who was brave enough or desperate enough to invent the toilet? From awkward prehistoric squats to futuristic toilets that pamper your posterior, humanity's journey to bathroom bliss is stranger, grosser, and funnier than you ever imagined. So buckle your seatbelt, or at least lift the seat. We're about to dive into the wonderfully weird world of toilets. Let's rewind to the good old days, before civilization and indoor plumbing. Back then, our ancestors were living the dream. If your dream involved squatting in the woods and hoping a saber-toothed tiger didn't mistake your exposed backside for a scratching post, privacy? Forget it. You were lucky if you could find a bush big enough to hide behind. But here's the kicker, folks. Archaeologists actually study fossilized poop to understand prehistoric diets.
Why they dig up old poop? No make sense. Me just want find big bush, no saber-tooth.
Now, let's fast forward to ancient Rome, where socializing was an activity best enjoyed everywhere. And I mean, picture this. You're enjoying a relaxing sit on a stone bench, catching up on the latest gossip with your buddies, when suddenly you realize you're sharing the experience with a dozen other people. No stalls, no dividers, just a row of open holes and a distinct lack of personal space. Oh, and did I mention the communal sponge on a stick for cleaning? Hygiene wasn't exactly a top priority back then.
Nothing like a good chat while you do your business. Pass the sponge, will you?
Now let's talk about the Middle Ages, a time of knights, castles, and toilets that were essentially glorified holes in the floor. These medieval masterpieces, often perched precariously over cesspits or rivers, were a breeding ground for disease and some truly horrifying smells.
Oh, the joys of medieval life. Just hold your breath and pray you don't take an unexpected dip.
Squat or not, the great toilet debate. Now let's get to a debate that's been raging for centuries. Throne-style toilets versus the squat toilet. In one corner, we have the familiar Western-style throne, a symbol of comfort and decadence. By the way, did you know that in France, newspapers and books are very often close to the toilets to enable a deep cultural moment? And in the other corner, we have the squat toilet, often met with fear and confusion. Doctors say squatting is actually the more natural and healthier way to go. Your choice? Japanese robo-toilets. Prepare to have your mind blown and your butt washed. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter a world where toilets have more bells and whistles than a spaceship. We're talking heated seats, automatic lids, and enough water pressure to make you think you've fallen into a gentle waterfall. These high-tech marvels also boast bidets, dryers, and some even come equipped with soothing music and adjustable mood lighting.
It's like having a spa day every time you go to the bathroom.
Space toilets boldly going where no toilet has gone before. Now let's blast off to a place where going to the bathroom takes on a whole new meaning. Outer space. Imagine trying to do your business while floating in zero gravity.
Astronauts have to undergo rigorous training just to learn how to use a space toilet, which essentially involves strapping yourself down and hoping for the best. NASA has spent millions developing these out-of-this-world toilets, ensuring that astronauts number 2 doesn't become a dangerous projectile and improperly sucked in and sealed using an airflow and a smart-designed pipe system.
Flush with knowledge. So there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour through the wacky and wonderful world of toilets. From ancient holes to futuristic bowls, one thing remains constant. No matter who you are, everyone's equal when nature calls. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button, flush that subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. Keep in mind, do not panic. Most of our issues and fears will be soon behind us.